Hey Mark, this is a quick demo video for you for your KR Flagship custom etch, all done and installed today. So we'll go over it a little bit. On one of the shrouds here you can see you got the Hogwarts symbol that you wanted, and then on the opposite side is smog from the map on Lord of the Rings. So we did a mainly Harry Potter etch on this guy, and then we did some subtle Lord of the Rings stuff on here. So let's see if I can point it out. So on top of the smog here, we've got the Elven ring, or the Elven words from the ring, one ring to rule them all. So I put that right here. That wraps all the way around it, and then I put that again right on this ring all the way around it. Now on these two rings right here, these are actually spells from the Harry Potter movie. So I'm hoping that this camera is picking that up okay. And then right here you've got Dobby, and then Voldemort over here. That's what I did there. And then on the handle, if we start here, hopefully you can see Harry Potter's face as I wrap around it. And then the other two characters, Hermione and I forgot his name. Not a Harry Potter fan. My daughter is. She's told me a million times. I keep forgetting. But then you had your, you had me write your name in, I forgot what language that is right there, but M-A-R-K right there. And then on these right here, this kind of alternates right between the Harry Potter symbol and the lightning bolt back to Harry Potter and so on. So let's open this up. You got a CFX with stock neopixels in there, as you can see right there. We'll open this up. One thing I will say about this is it is a super tight fit in here for this board, because I gave you an OLED screen right here, got the board right here, removable chassis. We did do a 28mm bass speaker. This is a KR Sabres brand that I got from Saber Bay, and it sounds amazing. So kept with the KR theme on this guy. Put my name on here like I always do, and then your board up top here. Now your board is what I'm talking about, is a super tight fit in here, so it's not glued down. I don't ever do that. I press fit it whenever I can. You will have to pull it up to get to your card though, but just know that when you go to put this board back down, it is going to give you, a little bit of a hassle. It's not too bad once you get used to it, but if you can see closely there, how about half that board is up and half of it's not engulfing the entire side of the board. It's just meant to be that way. I had to do that in order to get everything to fit. So that's what you got right there. You got your battery right here we'll throw in.
You're hard to get rid of.
Throw this handle on. It does slide in nice and smooth. Actually, before I put the handle on, we're gonna go through a couple sound fonts so that you can see the OLED works.
Sound bank selection. Final steps. Exit menu. Games. System menu. SD card audio play.
This is General
Leveling.
Rainy. Nebula.
Crystal focus.
Final steps.
People keep telling me they know me. I'm afraid no one does.
So OLED's working great. I'm gonna slide this in. Slides in and out nice and easy, but everything's tight. There's no room for anything in there. Battery, board, screen, okay? So I'm gonna slap this in here. I'm not gonna bother going over the effects and functionality with you, because you've gotten so many of these from me that you know exactly what you're doing by now. I am looking for an Allen key though, just so that we can run your blade retention. So you've got a blade, or you've got a set screw right here. This guy's holding your chassis in, so you'll never have to mess with that guy. You got another one right here. This is actually holding your stock pixel holder in the blade socket. So again, you'll never want to mess with that guy. You can take these shrouds off however you want, just 2 screws with each. take them off, swap them out, do whatever, leave them off, whatever you want to do. Those are fine. And then you've got one last set screw right here. That is your blade retention screw. That's an 8/32. So just tighten that down, push all the way down. One thing I like about etching sabers also is that it makes the blade socket nice and smooth for a blade. So you don't have to struggle with it, but it's not loose either. I'm gonna turn this light off. And we're gonna power this guy up.
All right.
Smooth swing, everything's working good. You got a nice shine through on your, you know, underneath your shrouds there. Hold your auxiliary button for lockup.
Spectrum.
Color changing working well.
Spectrum. Blade profiles.
Blade profiles programmed well. Changing your effects. Turn this off. I did put your activation button up top and then your auxiliary down here. So I hope you enjoy this saber. I worked really hard on it. This was a multi-day project for me. Yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thanks, man.